most common beginner muscle building mistakes and how to avoid them. In this lesson, I want to go over the most common beginner mistakes that will keep you from building muscle and getting in shape. It's important that you learn to identify these mistakes because they can cost you months of hard work and no results. From my years of experience, I can say that whenever beginners don't reach their fitness goals, the problem is not the lack of motivation. Most of the time, what holds them back is making these few mistakes that have a bigger negative impact on their training. I will now go over them one by one and explain what you should do to avoid them. The number one beginner mistake is not following a structured workout program. I can guarantee you that doing some random exercises without any strategy will bring you little to no results. Unfortunately, you see a lot of people doing exactly that. In their workouts, they usually place way too much emphasis on their arms or chest and not enough on their legs. Now, on the other hand, a structured workout plan will make life a lot easier for you. Of course, I would recommend one of my workout plans, but you can follow any workout program that is scientifically designed to effectively activate all your muscles and joints, your cardiovascular system and your respiratory system, and regulate your blood circulation to all your body parts. Another common mistake when wanting to build muscle is to do wrong exercises. In this case, people might even follow a structured routine which activates all their muscles and joints, but because it includes ineffective exercises, they still don't get the results they were hoping for. This mistake is one of the main reasons I made this workout program called the Just 7 routine. Because not all exercises are created equal and some will definitely help you build more muscle in less time. The exercises in this program are mostly compound exercises, which means they work several muscles at the same time. This creates more overall resistance to all parts of your body and will help you tone up your body and stay fit lifelong. Mistake number 3 on this list is using bad form. The problem with bad form is that it increases your risk of injury and also makes each exercise less effective. The push-ups, for example, will help you develop your chest and arms if you go all the way down and through the complete range of motion. Similar rules applies to all exercises and it is important you know what you're doing. Please make sure to pay attention during the exercise tutorial videos in this course to learn how to do them correctly. I always recommend you to focus on your form instead of counting the number of reps, at least for the first few weeks. It's easier to correct flaws earlier on and important to not make them a habit. The last mistake on this list is not applying progressive overload. Remember that you have to gradually increase the tension placed on your muscle to see more size in muscle growth over time. You cannot do the same workout in the same number of repetitions for weeks and weeks together and expect your body to change. If there is no increase in stress levels, then you don't create an incentive for your body to adapt. That is why I have developed the Just 7 workout routine with different levels of intensity. You will first begin in the level that you are comfortable with and slowly move up the higher intensity levels as you gain strength and stamina. The goal is to move up to higher intensity levels but with proper form so that your results are maximum. Now, before I end this lesson, let me tell you that all these mistakes are easy to correct. You just have to make sure you pay attention to them, especially as a beginner. I know that studying exercise form can seem like a big task at first, but it will only take a few workout sessions and after a while you don't even have to think about it anymore because it will go into your muscle memory and become a habit to do exercises with the right form.